Boaz, take your time. You want to eat my hand? Take your time, Boaz. Bitey boy. Boaz, I'm telling you, take your time. You take time. How are you? You are fine. What's your name? Boaz. Clap for yourself. The bunny go. Clap for yourself now. Don't eat my earpiece. Don't use your mouth. Clap. Clap. Papa, you are great. Oh yeah, read ABC for me. A, B, C, D. Continue now. Good boy. Clap for yourself again. Good baby. I love you, baby. If it's right or not, I need you, baby. Until come the morning light, well, let me love you. Trust in me when I say it's okay. Oh, pretty baby, if you try, just let me love you. Trust in me when I say. Fam, this is me watching. This is my laugh. So sometimes when I watch, I just sing to ease my stress and make the work fast. So that's what I'm doing right now. So my husband is going out. I'll show you guys finding this. Feeling like a fine boy. So let me show you guys this place. Fam, my husband is in my vlog today. Hey! He's going out. Today is Sunday. Let me show you guys what he's wearing. Let me go back so you guys can see. He's wearing fabric by the Banigos. What is the name of the business again? Banigos Fabric. Okay, Banigos Fabric. So feel free to shop from Banigos Fabric. And boy, Abraham will not allow you to be great. Yeah, turn around. Fam, it's a Sunday morning and yeah, I find person now. Fine boy. In your mind. I
come back fabric.
Tell them.
It's always the important part now for this matter for me and for all of us. And I say, Banigos Fabric, the best, to sell best quality.
Marketer. Which kind of fabric is this that you're wearing?
This is Advert Kampala.
Is this Advert Kampala or plain and pattern?
This is Advert Kampala native, plain and pattern native.
Okay.
Plain and pattern native, but the fabric itself, you understand? I'm rocking the pants with an English top, you understand? So you don't get as you want to. So now the level will be that. So
don't worry, I'll show you guys how he's looking when he's about to go out. I took taba. I mean vlog that I've been how they done. Talk to our subscriber.
Sobo.
What do we sobo?
Sob now.
Do the intro.
Sister, if you never subscribe to this channel, chai, what did they wait for? What you go do now? Carry your hand up, bring hand down, click the subscribe button, you can't do it, scatter the notification bell so that you know every time when I put up a new post. You know they get that one view.
One eternity later.
See you guys. So fam, I'm receiving a guest. It's been a long time someone came to visit me, I think December. So I'm receiving a guest and I'm about going to also welcome them. I think someone already opened the gate for them. She just said she look at her and her children. Oh God. She said she got my video while and go, guys. Imagine. She don't want you to pay us. Okay. You don't want you to pay us.
Na me, na my face.
Your face like $1 So far, I'm just taking a walk in my area. I just said let me show you some of the nice houses that are here. So fam, I just finished filming and you guys should definitely watch out for that video. A whole lot of drama happened. You guys saw my friend coming around, and as I was filming I tried to play out what I filmed but wasn't playing out, but we moved. No giving up, no complaining too much. I mean, we're sticking to it and pushing. Please, if you watch our videos, don't watch 1 minute, please. It just messes up with the algorithm. Kindly watch like 4 minutes. And if you know you will not watch, don't click on the video, please. Don't click on it because it just messes up with the whole algorithm, and it's a chore, it's a stress on creators. Kindly just at least watch 4 minutes or more. I mean, to just show your genuine support. And if you know you don't have the time, you can just watch and come back and continue so you don't mess up the algorithm for the persons. Yeah, thank you guys. Hey Bam fam, welcome back. This is so many days after not being in the mood to even pick up the camera to vlog, and then my Google Access pin came again. It came twice. I said I was going to tell you guys. It came twice. This one is still sealed, and in case your Google Access pin comes again, like, you shouldn't bother yourself, since if you've already filled in the first one. But stop my lighting. If you've already filled in the first one, then you should just stick to that. This one is just invalid, becomes useless. You can just keep it in the house for decoration purposes. Yeah, so mine came twice. Anyways guys, yeah, I just watched Nelo KK's video and it just got me thinking about motivation, about how she said she did a random car video and the thing blew up and she made some good cash from it. And being on YouTube and being a creator is every YouTuber's dream to make money. But trust me, when you're a growing YouTuber just like us, sometimes you're not even encouraged by the amounts that you make from YouTube. But what can we do? We stay motivated, we stay gingered to keep creating. And I just want to encourage every one of us out there, and I just want to wish everyone happy Easter. This vlog should be up by next week, so yeah, we're still in this felicity season, a festive season. Yeah, so I just want to wish everyone happy Easter, and let's just keep staying motivated. You people should keep motivating me as I keep motivating you. And thank you to my awesome subscribers and those that are just even coming across. I don't take the love for granted. Even if it's 100 views that is washed with love, I appreciate it. I appreciate it so much, because it's not just by getting 1,000 views and then they don't even watch to know the details of the content. It's actually by getting, like, if you're getting your small views and they are watching it and they are enjoying it, that's what matters. So thank you. One day we will blow, one day we'll get there. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, I just wanted to say, don't be pressured to buy a cow. Because I was seeing some people in the comment section saying not to go buy cow and all that. Don't be pressured to get a car. Car car is a, I don't want to say a liability, even though it can be a a necessity, but don't be pressured in whatever way to get a car. Just do you. Just keep being real. One day, Allah redeem. The man Almighty Allah agree, it will see us and pick us, and God help us. So boss is just here. This is our birthday boy, yo. This hair is going to be cut off soon, fam. I hope I can film the process for you guys when we finally cut off this hair. I hope I can film it for you guys so that you guys will see how it looks. So yes guys, I just wanted to come end this vlog and say thank you guys so much for supporting and loving me and us, and keep watching our vlogs and our videos and everything. And thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.